Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill VIT affidavit. This process is crucial for your university admission, ensuring all necessary declarations are properly documented. We will cover the different types of affidavits you might need, such as the student, parent, and hostile affidavits. My goal is to guide you through each stage, from preparing your documents to final submission, making sure your application is complete and error-free. Let's get started. First, you need to gather all the necessary components. Begin by downloading the official affidavit templates directly from the university's admissions or downloads section. Next, acquire non-judicial stamp paper. Typically, this is of 20 rupees or 200 rupees value, depending on the specific campus and affidavit type. Finally, compile all personal information, including your full name, your parent's full name, your chosen course, and your application or registration number. With your templates and stamp paper ready, proceed to fill in the details. You can either type the content onto the stamp paper or have a licensed vendor do it for you. Pay close attention to accuracy, ensuring all names, dates, and declarations are correct. Both the student and parent must sign in all designated places. The final critical step is visiting a notary public, who will officially attest and stamp the document, validating its legal standing. Once your affidavits are fully completed and notarized, they are ready for submission. These documents are typically submitted during the admission or orientation period. It is highly recommended to make at least one photocopy of all signed and stamped affidavits for your personal records before handing over the originals. Always double-check the university's official communications for any specific deadlines or additional submission instructions to ensure a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.